Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, West Des Moines, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moves are those that go beyond 100 miles. This is regardless of where you are moving to. A long distance move can therefore be within your current state, a state nearby, or even across the nation. Moving is never easy and it can be an emotional process. A lot of that stress can be alleviated when the right company is supporting you through your move, and that is exactly what the friendly staff at 3 Movers will do for you. We value your satisfaction and therefore offer safe transportation for your belongings at unbeatable prices. This makes us one of the best West Des Moines, Iowa's moving companies. You may be moving across towns, within the state, or even across the state. If your new location is anywhere within 100 miles or less, then a local mover is what you need. 3 Movers offers local moving services in West Des Moines. We know how cumbersome moving day can be. To make things simpler for you, we ensure the ease of your move by efficiently moving your belongings to your new location. In addition to local and long distance moving, our West Des Moines moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack, move, and